Hello and welcome to this Java tutorial brought to you by Tech Tutorials by Kyle. In this video I will be explaining strings. As you recall from my primitive data type videos, string is not a primitive data type, but it is very useful. So I'm going to teach you how to use a string type and the different methods that you can use to modify your strings and so on. So declaring a string is similar to declaring a number. You type in a type, which is going to be string, with a capital S. The name of the variable, we'll just say name. And let's say we want to store the name inside that variable. And then notice we have to use double quotations. And then after the double quotations, we will put a semicolon. Alright, and then let's say we want the program to print out that string name. Okay? And then we run the test and we see that it printed out what we stored in here. Now, there are a number of methods that you can use to sort of play around with these strings, and here is a list of a couple that you can use. There's others than this, but these are some nice basic ones. So for example, let's try using length. So let's declare a number, and we're going to say that number is equal to name dot length. And basically what this will do is it will count the length of this string and store that number inside of the integer. So now we're going to print out that number. As you can see, it'll say 4. Another thing that's commonly used is char at right here. So we are going to declare another string. Name it char. Whoops, we can't name it char. We'll just say hello. And then we're going to say char, or sorry, we have to do the string name dot char at. And the important thing to realize when using char at is that it starts counting at 0. So the first character, in this case, which should be k, if we wanted to access that with char at, we would say char at 0. So we're going to go ahead and try that. And basically what it's doing is it is going, oh, oops, it should be char actually. Alright, sorry about that. Anyways, this should print out k, so we just say that, run a quick test, and as we see, it's k. And it's very important to remember that it starts counting at 0. let's see. Another thing here will be another commonly used one is trim. And what trim does is it just takes the unnecessary spaces out from the beginning and the end. So let's say there's a bunch of spaces like that. You know, we can even put in enter, or excuse, yeah, we can do that, and then switch this back to string. And we'll do name, which is the string we're modifying, or not modifying technically, but we'll just say that we are. Name dot trim. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna trim off the edges of that and just give us the characters. Alright, that just about does it for strings. As far as the basics go, if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment or email me. Please remember to rate and subscribe and check out my website. Thank you.